It was amazing. Every time I've taken this class, I walk out even more confident with my haircut.
Class was amazing.
It was wonderful. Class-a-thon is always refreshing.
It was a lot to take in, but the way it was structured was simple to keep a grasp on it.
It's great.
So great.
So worth the time.
It was.
So worth the travel.
Yeah.
100% greatest experience for cutting.
It was a wonderful experience. It was really nice.
I think I've just really brushed up on my skills from my previous classes. The deep cutting, it's what makes the biggest difference in my cuts.
Just the dry cutting technique, learning how to manipulate the hair and get texture into it while it's dry, much more than wet cutting.
It really impacted me taking the class a second time because the depth of knowledge that sinks in a little bit more is immeasurable. It also helps you to have a finer tune with what you're working on. And I felt this time it was way more ingrained.
I think learning the undercut and then also working on the shag as well, you can start to incorporate all these things and make them your own.
The attention to detail, for sure. Also the finishing and the social media tips were very helpful.
It was really nice to have too, just to be able to share as stylists. Was really great.
I really enjoyed the styling part of it and the dry cutting. It helps out to give a lot of texture. It just opens up your creativity.
I think anybody could take this class. Anywhere from if you're, straight out of cosmetology school to the most advanced.
Anybody that wants to learn the dry cutting technique and more advanced styling for sure.
This class was an advanced class, and I think doing fundamentals first really makes a lot of sense. I feel like you would get a richer layer of knowledge the second time with advanced, and doing fundamentals and basics first. The understanding will be much clearer.
I think it's friendly to people who have some experience to people who are really experienced.
Anyone who loves hair cutting, undercutting, point cutting.
Anyone who wants to have a portfolio that's current and looks modern, I would say that this is the class.
I'm a 20-year vet, and I still recommend this class to anybody who wants to just, like I said, open up your creativity, use the same techniques that you know, apply them in a different way. But anybody can come and take this class. I really recommend it.